engine starts losing pickup, giving black smoke, or feeling rough on the road, the problem is often hidden carbon buildup inside. That's where Graphenizer One comes in. This instant carbon cleaner works directly through the fuel system, cleaning injectors, valves, pistons, and the combustion chamber without opening the engine. As it flows inside, it removes carbon deposits and helps restore smoother acceleration, better throttle response, and improved mileage. Whether it's petrol or diesel, turbo or non-turbo, Graphenizer One helps the engine breathe cleaner and perform like it should. You can easily order these products from Amazon, Flipkart, or directly from the Graphenizer website. Most engine wear happens silently, inside the parts we can't even see. Over time, friction, heat, and old oil slowly reduce engine performance. Graphenizer 2 is designed to protect the engine from the inside by creating a strong graphene-based protective layer. The best part? No engine opening, no dismantling. Just pour it directly into the engine oil from the top. It helps reduce friction, improves smoothness, lowers engine temperature, and can extend engine life. For old engines or even newly serviced vehicles, Graphenizer 2 adds long-term protection where it matters most. Sometimes your car feels normal, but fuel consumption keeps increasing. That's where Graphenizer 3 makes the difference. This mileage booster can be used directly in both petrol and diesel vehicles. Just add it to the fuel, and it starts improving combustion quality from inside. It helps the engine burn fuel more efficiently, improves pickup, reduces vibration, and can even lower black smoke in diesel engines. Whether it's a new car or an older high-kilometer vehicle, Graphenizer 3 is made to bring back performance while boosting mileage on every drive. A lot of performance issues don't start in the engine itself, but in the exhaust system, where carbon and soot get trapped over time. Carbon Flush is designed to clean that hidden buildup inside the exhaust, including DPF, catalytic converter, and related systems. As the cleaning process starts, the blocked carbon deposits are pushed out, and you can actually see the soot being flushed away. This helps improve exhaust flow, reduce black smoke, restore power, and make the engine run smoother again. It's a deep cleaning process that brings the whole system back to life without major dismantling.
If you want to get the same treatment for your car, we are available all over India. So get in touch with us. We have left our contact details up. Call us or message us and get in touch with us. Get your car carbon flush.